Space is big, really big, but within this vastness, there's a beautiful order. Our Earth and Moon, they're not just sitting there, they're dancing a cosmic ballet, guided by the laws of gravity. This dance creates patterns, rhythms that have fascinated us for millennia. Think of it like a waltz. The Earth spins on its axis, making one full turn each day. This spin gives us day and night. At the same time, the Earth orbits the Sun. This journey around the Sun takes a year. But here's the twist. Our Moon, it's also waltzing with Earth. It orbits our planet, making a complete circle roughly every month. This dance between Earth and Moon creates some pretty amazing phenomena, like the phases of the Moon, the tides, and even eclipses. Have you ever noticed how the Moon seems to change shape in the night sky? Sometimes it's a full circle, glowing bright. Other times it's a sliver, a crescent moon. These are the phases of the Moon, and they're all about how much of the sunlit side of the Moon we can see from Earth. Imagine the Moon as a ball, always half lit by the Sun. As the Moon orbits Earth, we see different amounts of this illuminated half. When the Moon is between the Earth and Sun, we see the dark side. This is the new Moon. Then, as it moves in its orbit, we see more and more of the lit side, waxing from a crescent to a full moon. After the full moon, the illuminated part we see begins to shrink, waning from a gibbous moon to a crescent, and finally back to a new moon. This cycle of lunar phases repeats every 29.5 days, like clockwork. The Moon's gravity isn't just about phases. It also tugs on our oceans, creating the tides. Imagine the Earth as a giant ball of water, with the Moon pulling at it. This pull is strongest on the side of Earth facing the Moon, causing a bulge of water-high tide. On the opposite side of Earth, the Moon's pull is weaker. But inertia, the tendency of an object to resist, changes in motion causes another bulge, another high tide. So, as the Earth rotates, different parts of the planet pass through these bulges, experiencing high tides. Between these high tides are low tides, where the water level is lower. The Sun also plays a role in tides, but its influence is weaker than the Moon's. When the Sun, Earth, and Moon are aligned, their combined gravity creates extra high tides called spring tides. Sometimes during their cosmic dance, the Earth, Moon, and Sun align perfectly, creating eclipses. Imagine a straight line with the Sun, Earth, and Moon in a row. If the Earth is in the middle, blocking the Sun's light from reaching the Moon, we get a lunar eclipse. During a lunar eclipse, the Moon enters Earth's shadow, turning a reddish hue. This happens because Earth's atmosphere bends some sunlight towards the Moon, and this light appears red, just like at sunset. Now, if the Moon is in the middle of this celestial alignment, blocking the Sun's light from reaching Earth, we get a solar eclipse. This is a spectacular event where the Moon's shadow falls on Earth, creating a temporary darkness during the day. Eclipses are a powerful reminder of the celestial mechanics at play in our universe. They've fascinated and sometimes frightened humans for centuries, inspiring myths and legends across cultures.